Oh, I normally try to walk all of these roofs that I can. I just had a weird feeling about this one, and I haven't found a nail yet. This is the kind of roof that you get on and then you end up going for a ride. Oh, there's a nail way up there. That's not where it's supposed to be. Yeah. I think I could take that shingle out. That one's torn, that one's torn. Look at this. Insane. You gotta check this kind of stuff before you go walking around on them. That's a one-way ticket to the ground is what that is. Not today. Oh, not in 2023. Not today.